Well, I did it again. I put in Grand Canyon in my GPS and it actually took me to the bottom, to where the lake is, which is, I just came back up because that was definitely not the Grand Canyon, but there's the top of the lake. And if I drive another 3.5 hours the other way, I can get up to the top over there and get into the Grand Canyon National Park. But do I do it? That's going back another 3 to 4 hours, and then I gotta come back this way another 3 to 4 hours, and then I have an hour and a half from this point to get to the Hoover Dam. So if I go back, I won't get to the Hoover Dam today. I'll have to spend the night in the Grand Canyon. GPS and operator error. Yes. Frustrating. Because it seems like every time I turn around, like I really do need a chauffeur. It's beautiful. It's really beautiful. Now I have to make that decision. But that's okay. I had a really good night's sleep. I guess you'll see where I end up. Bye.